Delhi is bracing for water shortage as high ammonia levels in the Yamuna River at the Wazirabad pond is expected to disrupt supply. The Delhi Jal Board has announced a 5 to 10% cut in water distribution until the situation improves. It's also been learned that the Wazirabad water treatment plant is operating at just 25 to 50% capacity due to ammonia contamination, which is a recurring issue in the Yamuna River. With elections around the corner, remember the water crisis has become a political issue as well. The ruling Aam Aadmi Party is laying the blame on the Bharatiya Janata Party, saying the BJP-ruled state that is of Haryana is intentionally releasing sludge into Yamuna, because of which the water is becoming unusable. Meanwhile, AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal has launched a 24-hour water supply in the capital's Rajinder Nagar area. To prove the water's purity, Kejriwal even drank directly from the tap.
पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर अब हमें जल्दी से अगले कुछ सालों के अंदर 24 घंटे पानी देंगे। 2500 ट्यूबवेल बना के हम 200 एमजीडी पानी और एक्स्ट्रा ट्रांस यमुना से लेके आएंगे। पानी का पहले डीएमोनाइजेशन प्लांट में अमोनिया साफ करेंगे, फिर उसकी हार्डनेस साफ करेंगे आरओ से, और उस पानी को आपके यूजीआर में ले जाके आपके घर तक पहुंचाएंगे। दूसरा, साउथ दिल्ली और वेस्ट दिल्ली में नीचे जमीन के नीचे हमने पता कराया बहुत बड़े बड़े पानी के एक्विफर्स हैं, वहां से हम 100 एमजीडी पानी निकालेंगे। उस पानी में हार्डनेस है, वो हार्ड वाटर है, वहां आरओ का प्लांट लगा के और 100 एमजीडी पानी हम दक्षिण दिल्ली और पश्चिम दिल्ली से निकालेंगे। 300 एमजीडी हो गया, और 100 एमजीडी पानी हम यमुना का जो तट है वजीराबाद से पल्ला तक, वहां पे हम ट्यूबवेल से पानी निकालेंगे।
पानी में सीवर के क्षेत्र में 10 साल पहले दिल्ली का एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा था जहां पानी की लाइन भी नहीं थी, सीवर की लाइन भी नहीं थी, नालियां भी नहीं थी। चाहे कच्ची कॉलोनियां हो, चाहे झुग्गी बस्तियां हो। 10 साल में अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के नेतृत्व में दिल्ली में 6800 किलोमीटर की सीवर की लाइन और नालियां बनी है। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के नेतृत्व में दिल्ली में पिछले 10 साल में 4000 किलोमीटर से ज्यादा पानी की पाइपलाइन डली है। दिल्ली के इतिहास में दिल्ली के आम लोगों के लिए इतना मूलभूत इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर पे काम किसी भी नेता ने नहीं किया, किसी भी पार्टी ने नहीं किया, किसी भी सरकार ने नहीं किया जो अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने किया।
All right, let me go across to my colleague Kritika, who's joining us with the latest from the national capital. Kritika, Delhi elections are coming in next year and Yamuna is back in focus. But unfortunately, the point of the matter is that Yamuna is only back in focus because the elections are there. Like every time, polls come closer, Yamuna becomes the center point, the focus of our politicians, and the blame game continues.
Right, in fact, what has been consistent, however, with Yamuna is the high level of pollution, whether it is the level of ammonia or even the fecal chloroform level have been very high at multiple parts of the Yamuna River. In fact, way beyond the permissible levels. Currently, also, the Delhi Jal Board has released a notification that it is only working at a 25 to 50% capacity. And one of the major reasons being the high ammonia pollution, because of which raw water that is pulled in from the Yamuna River at the Wazirabad treatment plant as well as the Chandrawal treatment plant is unfit for usage, and that is now resulting into low pressure water being released in many areas. The areas affected are Majnu Katila, Greater Kailash in South Delhi, South Extension, Mulchand, even the areas near ITO as well are affected. Just a while before Delhi as well, a lot of areas were not only dealing with low pressure water but also a complete cut in the water supply. And it is in this backdrop that now Arvind Kejriwal, the former Chief Minister of Delhi, is starting a 24-hour water supply project in the DDA flats in Rajinder Nagar. However, remember, this is a poll promise that he had made around the time of the 2020 elections. And in his speech today also, he has in fact said that the delay has been because of COVID. However, oftentimes we are hearing from the Delhi Jal Board the notifications of poor water quality, poor water pressure, as well as complete stoppage in the water supply is being experienced. Now the Delhi BJP is alleging that Aam Aadmi Party has not done in fact anything to solve the problem of water crisis in the national capital. In the 40-page long charge sheet also released by the party yesterday by former Union Minister Anurag Thakur, the issues of water pollution, air pollution remain to be one of the top charges that Delhi BJP is going to take forward into their election campaigning as well, as we see that the elections approach. Now, definitely it is the residents who have to bear the brunt of issues of this sort, wherein because of poor quality of water, their regular supply is hit, and water from private water tankers has to be sourced. Over to you.
That's right, Kritika. Thanks very much for joining us at the moment and sharing with us the latest as far as the tussle between the BJP and AAP is concerned ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections.